Snug but not crushing is the rule when tightening the nut on a new plastic trip lever. When installing a plastic trip lever, start by hand threading the nut onto the tailpiece to ensure it is straight and cross-thread free. Use pliers for the final turn and stop the moment you feel steady resistance increase. That indicates the threads are seated and the plastic is engaging properly. Avoid applying extra force once the plastic shows any sign of bending or deformation because that will weaken the part and invite cracks or future failure. If the assembly uses a washer orient, it's so the flat side bears against the nut and the cupped side accommodates movement to reduce stress. After initial installation, run the handle through several cycles to check for wobble or binding, and then test for any water seepage around the connection. Schedule a quick visual and manual check after the first week and then every few months to catch slow loosening before it causes a leak. Common problems are over-tightening that cracks the plastic nut, under-tightening that allows wobble or leaks, and using the wrong tool that concentrates force on a weak spot. If you over-tightened and see hairline cracks, replace the nut and reassemble with only a snug finish and a brief pliers turn at the end. If the lever feels loose or the handle rotates excessively, back off slightly and retighten just until resistance increases without deforming the plastic. If you are using adjustable or channel lock pliers, pad the jaws with a thin cloth or use a plastic jaw protector to spread the load and avoid biting into the nut. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and a discussion community where we share tips and ask questions that help with projects like toilet hardware. We help contractors find local work leads, while homeowners compare options and crowdsource practical advice.